Hey everyone, I'm going to show you a short tour of our Madikeri resort, and we are staying in the 16th block and our room number is 2161 and the model is 1BR. So this is the entrance. This is a small living room come dining, and then we have our wardrobes followed by kitchen. They have given coffee and tea station, oven, small refrigerator along with some cutleries as well. And then we have, let me show you the most beautiful view of the balcony. Small sit out area. And then they have given this beautiful view from here. I'm sure tomorrow morning is going to be the best one for us. So this is how it is. Just take a look at this beautiful place. Currently it's around 4:30 to 5 p.m. in the evening, and that's how the weather is. I'm sure it's going to become more gloomy tonight. So this is the view from the balcony. And here is the washroom. The best part is they have given all the toiletries as well. And then here we have another bedroom. So this is the bedroom, and then here is the view from the window. So my kid is playing currently with the washroom, which is a two-way from the living room as well as the washroom. So this is the dressing room, dressing space. And his naughtiness continues. So this is a small, quick and short tour I wanted to give. So hope you enjoyed it. See you again in another vlog. Have a great day. Bye-bye.